An urgent meeting and called for the boycott of Indian International Film Awards function to be held in Colombo from June 3rd to 5th. Five film associations met and urged their Bollywood counterparts not to participate in the function as it was being held in the capital of Sri Lanka, which stands accused of war crime and genocide. They also warned that the films of Bollywood personalities who attended the function at Colombo would be boycotted.
Ceylon is not a country, it's a burial ground. So in a burial ground, will anybody conduct a function? But this function is being conducted.
We are one. 4 states who are taking the decision in South Indian Film Chamber. It is definitely all states following the same decision.
Sri Lanka நடக்கிறது ஒரு திரைப்பட விழா இல்லை. அது திரைப்பட விழா என்ற போர்வையில் ஒரு மயான பூமியை திரும்பவும் அது புத்த பூமி என்று சொல்ல பார்க்கிறார்கள். அது புத்த பூமி அல்ல, அது யுத்த பூமி.
And Las Vegas